Welcome to Bubble Fun. What are bubbles made of? Bubbles are made of water, detergent, and are filled with air. The detergent consists of surfactants. Surfactants are long-chain molecules with a hydrophilic head group that likes water and a hydrophobic tail that dislikes water and prefers oil. Common surfactants are sodium, dodecyl, which means 12 carbons, benzene, sulfonate. Let's make some bubbles. First we take a cup and fill it to a quarter with water, and then we add our detergent, which is about 1.5 presses. Following that, we mix the solution, and then we put in our bubble wand. Let's have a look at the solution at a molecular level. You can see that the detergent molecules and the water molecules are moving randomly. Now let's blow air through the bubble wand to form the bubbles. At the molecular level, we can see that a thin film has formed across the bubble wand. The thin film is made up of surfactants which sandwich the water molecules. The surfactant molecules will orientate themselves so that the hydrophilic head groups will face the water layer and the hydrophobic tails faces away. Air, which is mostly nitrogen, is blown towards the thin film, and a bubble is about to form. Here we have a simplified cross-section of a formation of a bubble at a molecular level. The bubble is essentially a thin film that is made up of water, sandwiched by surfactant, and is filled with air. The bubble will eventually leave the bubble wand when it's fully formed. Why don't bubbles last forever? Bubbles burst when there's a hole in the thin film. The first reason that causes this hole may be that the water drips out of the thin film, usually at the bottom. Another reason is as the bubbles hit the table, the thin film is disrupted and a hole is created. But why do some still remain? As the bubbles hit the table, as long as the thin film is sustained, the bubble, though deformed, can still be maintained.